Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Valorant Headquarters Center. The Valorant is a free-to-play multiplayer, your tactical first-person shooter development and the published by the Retire Game for the Microsoft Windows. The first teasers under the code name the Project A in October 2019. This game was begun a closed beta period with that the limit of your accesses on the April 2020, followed by the official reasons on the June 2020 that the game is Valorant. Your Valorant is a team basis your tactical shooters and the first person shooter set in the near future. Player play as one of the set of your agent character and it is designed based on the several countries and the culture around the world. In the main game mode, the player are assigned to either the attacking or the defending your team with the each teams having the 5 player on it against have the unique ability each of them having the 5 player and who just acquiring the charges as well as a unique ultimate ability which require charges through the kills that and your spike actions. Each player start each round with a classic pistols and with one of more signature ability charge. Other of the weapons and the ability who just charge can be purchased using an in the game economy system which awarded your money basis on the outcome of the previous round and kills the player is responsible for and any of the action taken with the spike. The game has an assortment of the weapons and who just included the side arm your submachine guns, your shoot guns, machine guns and rifles and sniper rifles and more. Automatic and the semi-automatic weapons such as the Spectral, Odin and the Vandal who just have the recoil partners. These are the having to be controlled by the players in order to be able and shoot accurately. In the standard, the non-ranked mode, the Martian match is played as the best of the 25th. The first team to win 13 round wins the matches. The attacking team had a bomb type by the devices who just called that the spike, which they must deliver to be a specified location and the activate. If that the tracking of your attacking team successfully projected, the activated of your spike for a set time is uh, detonated as that they receive a point. If the finding the team is able to deactivate the Skype or the 100 second under round that the timer expire without that the attacking team activating the Skype, the defining the teams receive a point. If all the member of a team are ultimated before the spike is activated, or if all the member of the defining team are eliminated after that the spike is activated, the opposing teams earn a point. So guys, hope you like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.